Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer money from Juice to PayPal in 2025, you're in the right place. Juice is a popular digital wallet that's gaining traction for its seamless features, and with PayPal's global reach, this transfer can be a game changer for your finances. Whether you're sending money for shopping, bills, or just moving funds around, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's quicker than you think, and by the end of this video, you'll be doing it like a pro. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Juice app installed on your phone. Updates in 2025 have made transfers even faster, so head to your app store and update if needed. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Transfer or Withdraw section. It's usually right on the home screen for easy access. Next, select PayPal as your destination. Juice now supports direct integrations with PayPal, thanks to new partnerships, so you won't have to jump through hoops. Enter the amount you want to transfer and double-check it because accuracy is key to avoiding any fees. Speaking of fees, keep an eye on the transaction details. 2025 rates are lower, but they can vary based on your location and the amount. Now, for security, you'll need to verify the transfer. This might involve a fingerprint scan, a PIN, or even a two-factor authentication code sent to your email or phone. It's all about keeping your money safe in this digital age. Once verified, hit confirm, and voila, the transfer is on its way. Processing times are super quick now, often under a few minutes for smaller amounts. One quick tip: always check your PayPal balance right after to ensure everything went smoothly. If you run into any issues, Juice has improved customer support in 2025, so reach out via their in-app chat. There you have it, folks. Transferring money from Juice to PayPal is straightforward and secure. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.